Hello, my name is Gonzalo Salinas, and I'm taking this amazing course with Alejandra, and I'm very excited about this. And the reason why I'm excited is because for years I've been wanting to publish my book. I've been working on research, I've been working on many things, but putting the whole thing together and actually making things happen in order to publish the book was a whole different animal. So in this case, I came here and Alejandra gave me tools so I can put the whole thing together and I can see it as a reality. She gave me the best antidote for that lack of action. And that antidote in reality was her knowledge and expertise on how to make this a reality. I am very, very excited about publishing my book because this is a dream that I've been keeping in my heart for so long, and I didn't know how to execute. I didn't know many things that are behind the scenes, even though I've been related to books for my entire life. So I totally recommend you this training. You will do yourself a favor. Stop taking other seminars, courses, workshops, everything. This is what you need to publish your book, to finally see your book in your hands and feel proud about yourself. At least that's how I'm feeling right now.